My name is Deidre Morales. I'm a junior and I go to Falcon Early College High School. I recently got invited to the International Space Station Research and Development Conference, where I will be speaking about my experience with the experiment, as well as the experience I had going to Washington and presenting the results of my experiment. It's amazing. It actually went and it came back and we got results for it, and the results were that we did have positive growth with bacteria. So it worked in space, so that's definitely good. It'll help aid in research here on Earth.
It's super rare for a student to be able to represent multiple countries and be the one to represent those countries based on her experiment, her poise, her expertise. She's a pleasure to listen to, so people want that in front of an audience so they can understand what she's proposing in her experiments. So it's beyond rare. It's as rare as leprechaun footprints.
It's surreal. I never thought I'd get an opportunity to do something like this. To be up there with people, with world-renowned scientists and people who have worked directly with NASA and the European Space Agency, that's amazing to me. It's an honor.